So my name is Anna Gieselman, and I'm one of the yoga teachers here at Castle Hill Fitness. And we thought it would be fun to share just a basic, 5-minute guided meditation for you to listen to at any point throughout your day. So before we really get started in the meditation process, I want to talk a little bit about the sitting practice. And so ideally, you're going to sit onto a pillow like I am. Some of you may need to sit in a chair just because it feels better through your knees and your hips. If you're sitting on a pillow, it should allow your legs to drop downwards so that you can sit up tall with ease. And the key word there is ease. If you're struggling physically, your meditation is going to be absorbed in that space. So if you find that there's a lot of tension right through your hip flexors and you just can't relax, then there's this handy little trick you can do with a strap. So you take a yoga strap, you make a loop, and you take that overhead, and you have it hooked on your low back, so in your sacrum specifically. And then you're gonna catch the outside of your knees so that you have this little sling, and it makes it so that you can pretty much sit up without that strain in your hips. So this might be a nice option for you. Basically, whatever you're doing, whether you're sitting in a chair or sitting on the floor or lying down, you want to be there with ease. If you're feeling physical discomfort, that's what your mind is going to go to over and over and over. So work it out for yourself to see what's the best way for you to sit. And then once you're seated, just kind of shift around a little bit, move into your body, until you can come to a place where you're cultivating stillness in your physical body. You can rest your palms down. You can rest your palms open. And then slowly start to close your eyes. And just take a few big breaths in. So big, full barrel chest inhale. And let all of the air go. Completely empty yourself. On your next exhale, release any tension through your legs. Release any tension through your groin or your hips. And again, as you exhale, soften your abdomen. Let go of any gripping through your chest. Again, with each exhale, letting go of tension. Feel your shoulder blades sink down away from your head. Feel your palms heavy on your legs. And as your shoulders drop down and your legs drop down, I want you to imagine that there was a magnet on the back of your head, a big magnet. And the opposite magnet is on the ceiling. And so you have an electric lift of the back of your skull upward towards the ceiling. So you're sitting tall, all the while letting go of tension. And as you come into a place of stillness in your body, I want you to just notice, in general, what's on your mind today. Do you feel like you have a specific thought that keeps coming up? Or is your brain darting all around in all directions? Just kind of take inventory of where you're starting. Keeping in mind that every day is different. Some days it's easier to sit in silence than other days. This is a practice. as you become aware of what's going on in your mind, every time you notice that you've gone off on a thought, you're thinking about work or breakfast or whatever it is, every time you find that you are no longer in the present moment, just corral yourself back in, corral your thoughts, corral your attention, and feel the breath that you're taking right now, this instant. And that's all. So sitting in silence, every once in a while lifting your head up, metaphorically speaking. And when you find that you are wandering off, bring yourself back into your body, back into your breath. If you have the time to continue to sit in silence at home, I encourage you to do so. Just stay with it a little longer. And know that you can always come back and watch this video at any time just to get a few pointers and to set the tone for your meditation. Thank you so much.